The original, the first, the classic, the OG, the quintessential cocktail, the first, not just your grandfather's old whiskey drink. That's right, we're talking about the Old Fashioned. The Old Fashioned is a classic cocktail. Nobody really knows if it's the first, was it the first, who made it first. All we know is that it is a damn good cocktail. It's super easy to make and super easy to fuck it up. You go to the bar and you say, let me get an Old Fashioned, and the bartender just goes, not a problem. There you go, an Old Fashioned. If they do that, run. Run really fast because you have a shitty drink and a shitty bartender. Welcome to Making Drinks to Drink, where we make drinks to drink. Now let's make a proper Old Fashioned this time. To make an Old Fashioned, you need 2 ounces of bourbon, some kind of sweetener, sugar cube, sugar, simple syrup. I'm using honey that's been aged in a bourbon barrel. I think it's fantastic. It really adds, like, I can't explain it. Try it. It's True Bee honey and Angostura bitters. Let's get started. Okay. So we're gonna before we do any ice, I'm going to mix all of my liquids just to kind of get that honey dissolved a little bit better. And for the garnish, I like to make a kind of like a little boat. Put the orange right there. Put a little cherry on the inside. And there you have the Old Fashioned. It should go without saying, this is a fantastic drink. If you've never had an Old Fashioned, what are you, living under a rock? Get an Old Fashioned. They're fantastic. I recommend rye whiskey, but really any whiskey, as long as it's whiskey. And there you have. It's super simple, 3 ingredients. It's a fantastic drink. Just keep making them one after another, and enjoy. Thanks for joining on this episode of Making Drinks to Drink. If you liked this recipe, if you want to see other recipes, they're kind of floating above my head. Like, subscribe, share this video, and always hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments what you think I should make next. It's actually not bad. Here.
Yes. It's all I wanted.